Y'all, what's going on? I've noticed a couple stains in the ceiling here on the car, and I'm going to show you what I used to clean them. And what I did is get a bucket of what do you call Oxide, and just a little bit, like probably a couple drops or three of either Dawn dish soap, or if you have a liquid of the Tide, that would work too. And just stir it with warm water, and then get you a couple towels like this. Of course, you gotta ream it out, and this is what I usually do to take care of. Of course, this is a little warm, but this is where I'm at. So let's go with this big one here, and just go back and forth, side to side. As you can see, it'll start to disappear. So that's going to dry out. By the time that's going to dry out, it's going to be like nothing happened. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do here. And yeah, just wait for the result here. So like here's a good example also. I don't know what the heck that is. And I just realized that whenever I moved into the back seat, I found this. What on earth is that? I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's like a big old blob stain there. Some stuff here. And then moving up here, of course there's some lint. I forgot to mention, this is for like fabric, so it's not like, I don't know, if yours is like hard plastic like this, I don't know if you want to do that. But and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'll let you know. But anywho, it looks like it starts working. But yeah, there's that spot up there, there's the other spot up here, like how it's all cleaned out. So but yeah, there you go. Here's my end result. And I just, like I said, take your time on it. You don't really have to be too aggressive. Just enough pressure to where you don't have to see those stains anymore. And you don't have to get it too wet. Just wet enough to where like it's manageable for you. So just hand ream it, not too hard. You still want some of that Oxide on there. And yeah, just go back and forth. And when it dries, it's gonna go back to normal like everything else. And then you're good to go. Thank you so much.